Learn with Lily.
Hello there! In this video, we are going to learn all about the personal pronouns. Before we start, let's take a look at these sentences. Annie is a girl. Annie likes to dance. Annie won many dancing competitions. Can you think of a way to make these sentences flow more naturally? We'll come back to this in a few minutes, but first, what's a personal pronoun? A personal pronoun replaces a noun or nouns in a sentence. There are two kinds of personal pronouns, subject and object. First, we're going to focus on subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. A subject pronoun usually comes at the beginning of a sentence and does the action in the sentence. Dixie bakes a carrot cake. In this sentence, Dixie is the noun, or more specifically, a proper noun. What should we replace Dixie with? Dixie is a girl, so we're going to replace it with she. She bakes a carrot cake. What about this sentence? Rex likes to sing. We're going to replace Rex with a pronoun. Rex is a boy, so we'll replace it with he. He likes to sing. Let's look at the next sentence. Amari and I walk to school together. Let's replace Amari and I with a pronoun. Amari and I should be replaced with we. We walk to school together. Are you ready for the next one? The box is in front of the door. Which pronoun will you replace the box with? The box is a non-human object, so we'll replace the word with the pronoun it. It is in front of the door. What if there are multiple things or people like in this sentence? Amari and Candace built a snowman. What should we replace Amari and Candace with? There's more than one person as a subject, so it's they. Good job! They built a snowman. Then what about the pronoun I? We don't talk about ourselves by our first name, right? That would just be silly. My name is Lily, but I don't say, Lily is hungry, Lily wants dinner, Lily wants a pizza. Now, that's just silly. So which personal pronoun do we use instead? I. That's right. I am hungry. I want dinner. I want a pizza. What about the pronoun you? When someone talks to you, it would be strange for that person to say your name over and over again. So that person will replace your name with the pronoun you. You are watching this video right now. Alright. Let's go back to the paragraph. You read at the beginning of this video, Annie is a girl. Annie likes to dance. Annie won many dancing competitions. How can we make these sentences flow more naturally using pronouns? We're going to replace all of the Annie's pronouns except for the first one because we need to know who we're talking about. So, here we go. Annie is a girl. She likes to dance. She won many dancing competitions. Wow, that sounded more natural. Now, let's focus on another type of personal pronouns, the object pronouns. Me, you, her, him, it, us, and them. An object pronoun is the receiver of the action. Amber gave Arya a balloon. Who is the receiver of the action? Arya. So, let's go ahead and replace Arya with one of the object pronouns. Arya is a girl, so it's her. Amber Amber gave her a balloon. Shall we look at some more examples? I helped Yuri plant a tree. Yuri is a boy, so we're going to replace it with the pronoun him. That's right. I helped him plant a tree. What about this one? Can you tell your friends to come on Saturday? Let's replace your friends with a pronoun. Now, friends means that there's more than one. So which pronoun should we choose? That's right, them. Can you tell them to come on Saturday? You did a fantastic job learning all about personal pronouns. I hope this video helped you understand how to speak and write without using the same nouns over and over again. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now.